short sellers are getting absolutely wrecked. Over 700 million liquidated as Bitcoin touches 21,000 amid this weekend's pump. That's hundreds of thousands of bears getting liquidated. Why now? Why did we get this sudden pop? Over 60% of Bitcoin hasn't moved through this bear market, which means supply is getting more and more limited. Don't forget, illiquid markets are easier for manipulators to manipulate than liquid markets. No clue if this rally is sustainable, but be careful. Lots of leverage still to be liquidated, and many people have incentives to pump prices short term. Jumping over here to the chart real quick. So we did have a bear flag that we broke out of, and you can see that we slammed into our resistance line that we had drawn the other day. What happened is once we broke out of that bear flag, you had hundreds of millions of dollars being liquidated, driving that price up into our resistance zone here. And we've bounced back off of it. We'll see either maybe it'll keep going. We don't know. No one really knows the market. And if they say they do, then they're lying. And they obviously just want views or followers. None of us really know. We can draw the technical analysis. We can guess to our best ability, but no one really knows what the market will do. So you have your resistance zone. We slammed into it. And what we'll see is either some consolidation, we'll come back down to support, or we will retest that resistance line and maybe even break the 21,000 mark. So, and again, we don't know if this pump is a short-term pump or if this is sustainable. And what we'll see is as supply gets harder and harder to buy, you're going to have these big pumps. And we're going to see Bitcoin's price over the long term with these illiquid markets skyrocket. I think this next, and this is just my opinion, but I think this next bull market, this bull run with the halving is going to make supply even more scarce, and we're going to see some outrageous numbers that people have always talked about. Kathy Woods is already talking about a $1 million Bitcoin.